Welcome to Tech Reviews by Zack. I'm your host Zack, and today we'll be unboxing iPhone 11 Pro in the year 2021. So let's get started. I'm coming from iPhone 6 and iPhone 7. So this is going to be my first iPhone with a notch. So let's see if it's top notch or just a notch. So here I went with iPhone 11 Pro. Why Pro? Because I wanted the OLED display and the telephoto camera will also be useful. I went with the 64 GB variant. Well, because I think 64 GB is quite enough for a normal usage. So let's now go and open the box. The phone is on the top, and that's a pretty good color. The stainless steel bands are pretty nice. Also, the frosted back gives it a good touch. Feels pretty sturdy. And the triple camera setup. On the sides we have the volume rockers along with the mute switch. You can also see the antenna bands. The glass sandwich design is pretty unique and it's very beautiful and very sturdy. Let's keep it aside and see what else do we get in the box. Here's the pamphlet, the SIM ejector tool, the Apple sticker that I never use. And let's see. Oh yeah, this is the precious stone that you won't be finding in the newer models. So this is a rare phenomenon right now. Good that it's included in the earlier versions. And along with it, we get the earphones. They are the wired lightning cable connected earphones. Looks pretty good. Also, we have the USB-C to lightning port cable. Let's remove the screen protector. This is always so satisfying. Good. Feels good. We have the speakers and the microphone and lightning port. On the left side we have volume rockers and mute switch. On the top you can see again an antenna band. On the right side you can see the power button followed by the SIM tray. Let's open it up and check. Well, it's single SIM nano SIM tray. Let's put it back. And now let's start the device. Usually it takes some time, but I believe with this new processor it will boot up fast, and yes, it did. Let's select the country. Oh, the battery is low. Let's finish up this thing and then I'll charge. You can see the notch. I thought it will be bad, but it's not that bad. I'll get used to it pretty soon. Looks good though, the screen is too good. Let's add the Face ID. Face ID setup. Create a password. Done. Let's start with don't transfer. Okay, now I'll add the Apple ID and accept the terms and condition. Continue. Yes. Yes. And let's set up Siri. Siri is ready. Not now. No. True tone display. Let's check it out. I'll leave it as it is. Yeah, this is what I love, the dark mode. I'll keep it light for now. Got it. Welcome to iPhone. Thank you. Yeah. It is really amazing. The screen is too good. It's super clear and it's smooth. Looks pretty good to me. So now I'll try it for a few days and I'll come up with a full detailed review. Till then, peace.